Hi everyone, Imran here with another video tutorial for TCL 20XE FRP bypass. In this video, I will guide you step by step how to bypass FRP or Google account on your TCL 20XE without PC running Android 11. If you have factory reset your phone and now locked out of your device and stuck on the Google account verification, then follow this guide. You will find a solution to unlock your phone without Google account. It is really simple and easy to bypass Google verification on TCL 20XE, and you don't need a PC or bypass app. It is just simply accessing the settings app and then it's almost done. Now, without further wasting your time, let's get started. Now, I will go through the normal phone setup, connect to a Wi-Fi network, tap on don't copy, just a second, checking info. Now it's asking for verify pin that was previously used on this phone. So user have forgotten. I will tap on use my Google account instead. Now as you can see, it is asking for Google account that was previously synced on this device. Obviously you don't have this account, you have forgotten your Google account. I will now go back to the start screen and tap on vision settings, tap on talkback and enable use talkback. Now allow, tap on allow to use talkback. Now here is the talkback screen. You need to draw inverted L. Double tap on while using the app. Now double tap on use voice command. Now say open Google Assistant. Now say again open YouTube. Now it will open the YouTube app. Now here you can disable the talkback. So by pressing the volume up and volume down keys at the same time, it will give you a prompt to turn on. Double tap on turn on. Now again try to hold the volume up and volume down keys. Now talkback is turned off. Now tap on the profile icon at the top. Tap on settings. Here tap on history and privacy, and at the bottom YouTube terms and privacy. Accept. No thanks. Now Google Chrome is open. We are almost done. Now you have to type a URL in the address bar, progeeksblog.com/bypass. You need to open this link on your phone. Now scroll down, you will find a few download links at the bottom of this page. Scroll down. Now here are the links. Under the links for direct apps, now tap on open settings app. Now it will open your phone settings app. Scroll down and tap on accessibility. Here tap on accessibility menu. Now you need to enable accessibility menu shortcut. Go back. Now tap on apps. View all apps. Now you need to force stop a few apps here. First of all, Android Auto, force stop. Now Android Setup, force stop. Now find Google Play Services. Now force stop, and you need to disable this app. Now tap on disable app. Go back. Now congratulations, you are almost there to bypass FRP on TCL 20XE. Go back, go back, go back. Tap on I agree. You can skip here. Now that's it. Congratulations, you have successfully bypassed FRP on TCL 20XE running Android 11. Now you can enable the Google Play services. Now one thing we need to do here is factory reset our phone because it is hanging. Now open the settings app. Phone is lagging here, so give it a few seconds. Now tap on system and tap on reset. Here tap on factory data reset phone. Now again it will reboot and take a few minutes on the first boot, as you can see. Now again tap on phone setup, connect to a Wi-Fi network. Now you can even set up offline as it won't ask for Google account, as you can see. Set up the date and time, tap on next. These are the usual Android setup. You can skip. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.